are watching CIOTV by Enterprise IT World, a production of Accent Infomedia.
A very warm and pleasant welcome to the 15th edition of Channel Accelerator Awards, an initiative by Accent Infomedia. Would like to understand what is your take on initiatives like this? How is it going to turbocharge the channel ecosystem in the country?
Thanks, Manas, for having me over here. And as I want to highlight that SME Channels is always bringing a different level of initiatives and completely channel focus. And we have been tracking SME Channels, very regularly. The initiatives and the information shared by SME Channels is amazing.
As we talk, we are also getting increasingly intrigued by the visitings of disruptive technologies.
Right.
I think the entire business world is at a loss how to adapt this change. So, as a frontline organization, how do you view at this onset of this disruptive technologies like quantum computing, AI, edge computing, autonomous platforms? What would be your sage advice to business organizations how to defend against this disruptive technology and safeguard their business models?
So my experience about disruption is especially related to AI. AI has been a game changer in almost all the sectors. You take it any business, any thing, AI has already played a large role of disruption. So in this disruption, the best thing for us as a technology vendor, or probably looking from a customer's perspective, is like we need an approach which should be highly agile. We should we should be adopting the latest things ourselves first, and then probably look out for positioning to the customers. The traditional business has certainly been changed. The traditional, the transactional business is gone. The time has come wherein you have to work on service business, service attached business. So probably if you up-level your skills according to this AI and the changing market trends, definitely it is like going with the flow. That is something which I want to underline, like going with the flow is certainly most important key takeaway with this level of disruption.
Fantastic insight. What would be your key expectation from the channel going forward in 2026?
I want to again make it very simple way that adopt new things. Come out of all those traditional run-of-the-mill models. Technology is changing at a very speed. Try to match your speed. Try to adapt new things. Try to come offer new things. So try to enable yourself, try to enable your team, and get into the direction of that. Again, something I want to underline or highlight over here, SME Channels with this kind of event has set up the right set of topics for the day. And definitely it will give a great insight to partners. So that is where I want to really appreciate SME Channels for putting this kind of disruptive things, having a great panel discussion, and putting up all the latest topics. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for your industry critical insights.
Thanks, Manas.
You really enlightened us on some of the finer nuggets of the IT industry and what would be the key to shield against the disruptive technologies. Thank you once more.
Thank you. Thank you, Manas. Thank you so much.